Take a look at this phantom wallet, $2.9 million made from launching meme coins. No hype, no gimmicks, just a strategy that works over and over. Stick around because I'm about to break down exactly how I pulled this off. I used to think the only way to win in meme coins was finding that next big thing early. But the truth is, you are always late when you are buying. Every time I bought into a coin, someone else was already positioned to dump on me. And that's when it clicked. The ones actually making real money, they're the ones launching. When you launch, you are in control. You decide the timing, you decide the narrative, and every buy pumps your bag. It flips the whole game around in your favor. If you are tired of watching others win, it's time to become the one launching. That's how you stack consistent gains. And by the way, the whole video was made with AI and it's all fake, so please don't copy me. Pump.Fun might look easy, but it's completely oversaturated. Hundreds of coins filled in every single minute and most die before anyone even notices it. Worse, you don't control your own liquidity, so you're stuck watching without the ability to pull out profits. On create tokens.io, you launch directly to Raydium, where you own your token and control 100% of your liquidity. Your coin is instantly graduated with no delays, no hidden fucking queues, and it's tradable the second it goes live. That instant graduation means more exposure, faster buyers, and a better shot at hitting bigger volume from the start. Now when you're ready to launch your meme coin on createtokens.io, you've got two solid options. The first is to build a coin from scratch. So go on Twitter and pick a viral narrative. It could be a political moment, a trending meme, or something blowing up online. Then give it a name, symbol, and a quick 128 by 128 logo. Click next and your token is ready to move forward. Second method is my personal favorite one and the most profitable, the copy trending coins. This section posts proven winners straight from Pump.Fun, coins already getting traffic, volume, and attention. All you do is you click the copy and it's instantly listed on Raydium with none of the delays. Because you are copying coins that already have hype and buyers, you get instant traffic and way more profit potential from the start. Both methods work, but the second one, that's where I've seen the fastest flips happen and the biggest wins. Anyways, enough waiting, let's launch a coin right now. You'll see exactly how quick and simple this really is. So connect your wallet with Phantom, it's that simple. If you do not have the Phantom wallet, just install it and then send crypto to that. Then refresh list and we're gonna look for a coin to copy. I'm gonna copy the weapons coin. It has a last buy 8 seconds ago and a $22,000 market cap. So crit coin. Oh my god. Then ignore the fucking warning and proceed. Confirm, understand, confirm. Then the coin should be copied shortly. You just have to wait. Boom. And now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this part's easy. We're setting up liquidity so people can buy and sell your coin instantly through Raydium. Now, for the amount token A, just click 90%. That's gonna put 900 million tokens into the pool for like the people, the traders, and all the trenchers, you know. What else? Oh yeah, for the amount token B, this is your own first buy into your own project. You are not losing a cent. It's just locked into the pool. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and once you remove the liquidity later, you'll get it right back all into your wallet. So I'm gonna put 0.4 SOL. Click on create pool. Then click on confirm. When that's done, click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the weapons coin is now live, and our profits are like basically at $0. But if you re-click on refresh once again, now our profits went up to $156, which means this coin is fucking popping. Click on View on Photon to see the chart, and boom, It's live. Just give it a bit of time for it to load. Come on. Boom, $11. These are late buys. Let me go on full screen. Now, right now, all you have to do, okay, is just sit back, monitor the chart, and cash out whenever you want. I'm gonna give this coin a couple minutes, and I'm gonna be right back. So yeah, enjoy. Okay guys, I'm back. Now as you guys can see, we are at a 4 grand market cap, 1.5k in liquidity, and now I think it's a good time to cash out and take out some money, because that's the whole point of the video, to make some money. So come back to the site, and then first of all refresh. Ooh, we are up 1.5k. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the liquidity. And as you guys can see, we're going to receive around 9 SOL. Click on confirm. And boom, that's exactly how you launch a coin and make a shit ton of money. Boom. Wait, what? Hello? What? Yo, is it gonna load in? Bro, yeah, okay, send. Okay, boom! 1.5k straight inside my wallet.